Thank you for being with us. This is Pillars of History. We are very grateful to have you here. Yeah, let's start in the AES. Per now, it's no longer rumors or something like that. It's confirmed, and we have a confirmation of that the AES states led by Burkina Faso, Mali, and Niger have withdrawn from the ICC.
Joint communique from the states of the AES Confederation regarding the withdrawal from the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court. Burkina Faso, the Republic of Mali, and the Republic of Niger have each in full sovereignty ratified the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, ICC, on April 16, 2004, August 16, 2000, and April 11, 2002, respectively. Since their accession to the Rome Statute, the three countries have cooperated with the ICC not only on the basis of the relevant provisions of the statute, but also on the basis of agreements and memoranda of understanding regarding the conditions for the ICC's establishment and operations on their territory. However, over time, they have come to realize that this court has turned into an instrument of neo-colonial repression in the service of imperialism, thus becoming the global example of selective justice. Indeed, the ICC has proven incapable of addressing and prosecuting clear cases of war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide, and acts of aggression. While it has maintained an inexplicable, baffling, and complacent silence towards the perpetrators of such crimes, it relentlessly targets certain actors who do not belong to the close circle of beneficiaries of institutionalized international impunity, even in violation of its own statute. In light of this situation, the governments of Burkina Faso, the Republic of Mali, and the Republic of Niger, forming the Confederation of Sahel States, AES, hereby inform the confederal public and the international community of their sovereign decision to withdraw from the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court with immediate effect. This decision is part of the stated intention of the AES member states to fully assert their sovereignty. The AES member states have decided to resort to endogenous mechanisms for the consolidation of peace and justice, while reaffirming their commitment to promoting and protecting human rights in accordance with their societal values and to fighting against all forms of impunity. The states of the AES Confederation, while expressing their gratitude to the United Nations and its member states, assure their commitment to continue cooperating within other appropriate frameworks for the promotion and protection of human rights and the respect of state sovereignty. Done at Bamako on September 22, 2025, signed by Army General Assimi Goïta, President of the Transition, Head of State of the Republic of Mali, President of the Confederation of Sahel States, AES.
My last video, I told you that when the AES leaders show something or address something publicly, they always follow suit. They are not these kind of people, leaders who always like flinching with words. They always follow their words with actions. So they have really quitted the ICC and they are accusing ICC of colonial repression, of their imperial repression, whereby the ICC is only prosecuting African crimes instead of other countries in the world. The ICC consists of more than 100 countries, but the major emphasis is on Africa, and most of the crimes that have been prosecuted by the ICC are crimes from Africa. That means African countries are the ones that are always held accountable by the ICC. So you see the illusion with this organization. So it doesn't fit anything. They are saying that the ICC is incapable of handling those people who are committing war crimes, genocide, and other things that are a threat to human existence. But the ICC is incapable of handling them. So why do we need to be there in that useless organization? So they have decided to quit it. Most of the Western countries, of course, they will see it as a problem. How can the ICC be sanctioned by a country, just a single country, like the United States. The United States is sanctioning the ICC members, the ICC judges, the judges in the ICJ, for their issuing of an arrest warrant of Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel. So how can that be done? And you expect that other countries will just remain observing? So Africans, I mean the sovereign African states, have already taken a stand, and we have seen it. So they have withdrawn, and they are planning to create their own judicial system at home. That means in either Mali, Burkina Faso, or Niger, to prosecute those people who are against war, who are committing crimes. So that is their major aim. Thank you.